need some S-hooks to go to the pot, so I'll be able to get the pot above the fire so that we'll be able to boil water and clean your clothes. Put the borax, put the whites inside. And like I said, I'm using whatever shapes are here in a piece of metal to shape this. And if you can think about it, it's a little difficult to use a piece of metal to do that, just to shape that. So these guys, for their skill level, were imported for that particular skill, besides agriculture. I am on Facebook, so check me out there. There's a lot of things that's going on. I travel from Florida to South Carolina doing stuff like this. And as many plantations that I can get to, I'll get to. I love working with the bellows. It's a different type of forge altogether. And a lot of the plantations would have bellows. This particular one does not have a bellows. So I'll use what I have at the house or what have you to bring here. So I'll heat this to a point where I can form it.
How hot do you get that? You know what temperature that is?
What's that?
How hot? What temperature do you get?
Well, you can get the heat up to 3,000 degrees, but I think it's 2,000 as melting. I don't want it that hot because I don't want my metal melting. But I might get it to a point just you'll start seeing sparks coming out of it and it'll actually start melting. I just want to get it to a certain point, certain color, like that. Just to start shaping it. In my research, I find that a lot of Africans would use a stone to shape these things, or after they've used the ore, smelted the ore, and to get a nice piece chunk, they'll use the metal to start forming it. So I pulled this out instead of pulling my anvil out, just to see how difficult that was. Some of the plantations, if they didn't get supplies in, then the slave, being a skilled craftsman, would use what he had. I use the trunk to start making the S-curve on it. And just from forming, after I started making the S, I'll form it up until I make a bigger circle. Yeah.
What do we put down?
That thing was, it had me going.
So where do I find you on Facebook?
What was that?
Where do I find you on Facebook?
Gilbert Walker.
Thank you.
Welcome.
There you go.
Excellent. Thank you.